The 2026 Bajaj Electric Auto Rickshaw represents a major leap in the evolution of three-wheel public transport, offering a cleaner, quieter, and more economical solution for urban mobility. This new model is built keeping in mind the needs of daily commuters, commercial drivers, and growing city congestion. Its design stays true to the familiar auto rickshaw shape but introduces modern touches that make it feel refreshed and future-ready. One of the standout features of this 2026 electric auto is its improved battery technology. Bajaj has equipped it with a high-efficiency lithium-ion battery that offers extended range on a single charge. For city use, the vehicle is capable of running an entire shift without needing frequent recharging, reducing downtime for drivers and maximizing earning potential. Additionally, the fast charging support means the battery can be topped up quickly during short breaks. The performance of the electric motor is smooth and consistent, providing better acceleration compared to many older petrol or CNG auto rickshaws. Moreover, the absence of engine vibrations significantly enhances passenger comfort. The driving experience is quieter, making the daily commute more relaxing for both driver and passenger. The torque delivery is strong enough to handle slopes and heavy load, making it reliable in busy city routes. In terms of build quality, Bajaj has used stronger and more durable materials to ensure longevity, especially for commercial use. The chassis and suspension have been refined to handle rough city roads and uneven surfaces smoothly. The cabin space remains familiar but feels slightly better optimized, offering comfortable seating with improved legroom and cushioning. When it comes to running costs, the 2026 Bajaj Electric Auto clearly stands out. Electricity is much cheaper compared to petrol and CNG, which translates to significantly lower daily expenses for operators. There is also minimal engine maintenance since electric motors have fewer moving parts, reducing service costs over time. This makes it an attractive long-term investment for drivers and fleet owners. On the safety side, the vehicle includes improved braking systems and better stability due to battery placement and weight distribution. Bajaj has also considered weather protection, offering stronger body panels and optional side covers to ensure comfort during rain or extreme heat. Additional features like LED headlights and digital meters add a more modern feel. Charging the Bajaj Electric Auto has been made convenient with compatibility across standard public charging stations, home chargers, and dedicated commercial charging hubs. This ensures that drivers never feel restricted or dependent on specific charging infrastructure. The battery also comes with warranty support, providing peace of mind. This electric auto rickshaw plays a major role in reducing noise and air pollution. Cities struggling with congestion and smog will benefit greatly from widespread adoption of such vehicles. Bajaj has positioned this model not just as a vehicle, but as a step towards a cleaner transport ecosystem. Passengers will appreciate the smooth ride, quiet cabin, and lack of exhaust fumes. Drivers will enjoy the lower running cost, reliable performance, and reduced fatigue from vibration-free driving. For fleet owners and commercial businesses, it presents a future-proof transportation option that aligns with sustainability goals. Overall, the 2026 Bajaj Electric Auto Rickshaw is dependable, economical, and environmentally friendly. It offers meaningful upgrades that benefit both daily operators and commuters, making it a strong competitor in the growing electric mobility market.